Whether you're a professional contractor or a passionate DIYer, having a good sander is key to any smooth woodworking project. Today's cordless power tools help woodworkers maintain efficiency as well as speed up the job that they are designed for. Cordless sanders offer the convenience of being able to move around freely without being tethered to an outlet, and they're powerful enough to get the job done quickly. A cordless detail sander is specially designed tools for easy accessibility, precision, and control while working on wooden projects. It has a compact size and triangular sanding pads that offer several advantages, including portability and easy-to-reach small, narrow, or tight spaces. It is widely used for fine finishing of edges and corners. This sander will allow you to use a variety of sandpapers, in which choice of sandpaper depends on your work type. In this video, we tried to review the top 5 best cordless detail sanders on the market, perfect for any woodworking project. We made this list based on our personal opinion and we ranked them after our hard-working research based on their price, customer opinion, safety, durability, reputation and our standard reviewing process. Black+Decker 20 volts max sheet sander, BDC MS20C. This sander is perfect for quickly removing material, and its detail finger attachment helps sand hard-to-reach surfaces. The 2-position grip allows for enhanced control during a variety of applications, and the hook and loop system makes it easy to change sandpaper. The onboard dust collection system keeps your work area cleaner and improves visibility of the work surface. With a 20 volts max lithium-ion battery, the sander holds a charge for up to 18 months. Worx WX820L 5 and 120 volts power share Sanddeck cordless detail sander. The Sanddeck is a versatile sander that can be used for random orbit, finishing, detail, contour, and finger sanding. With its hyperlock toolless pad change system, you can quickly and easily switch out sanding pads. The Sanddeck also features a large orbital radius for aggressive debris removal, variable speed control for a variety of materials and applications, and a dust filter to keep your workspace clean. At only 4.4 pounds with the battery attached, it's easy to maneuver and work with for extended periods of time without feeling any fatigue. Ryobi P401 18-volt corner cat finishing sander. 11,000 orbits per minute helps result in virtually non-swirl finishes. Comfortable overmold provides a solid grip so that you can sand precisely and comfortably. Onboard dust port allows you to attach your favorite shop vacuum, not included. This will work with Ryobi's 18V1 Plus battery. Even the yellow Ryobi 18-volt batteries will work. Worksite 20 volts max cordless random orbital sander. The 20 volts max random orbital sander brings cordless convenience for small projects and quick touches. Equipped with variable speed dial, the speed of this random orbit sander can be adjusted from 7,000 to 11,000 RPM to match the speed to different applications and materials. Texturized rubber overmold grip for more comfortable sanding and less vibration when working. Replaceable 8-hole hook and loop sanding pad for simple, quick and easy paper changes. Tekpo 20 volts detail sander with 12 pieces sandpapers. Tekpo detail sander is equipped with a powerful dust collection system. The 6-holes vacuum design of the base plate catches a lot of debris quickly. This sander is lightweight and small in size, which can reduce hand fatigue after long hours of work. The rubber handle is comfortable to grip. High-speed copper motor with a powerful capacity of 12,000 OPM ensures that users complete their work efficiently. Comes with 20V2.0 Li-ion battery and 1-hour fast charger. The battery is compatible with all Tekpo 20V tools. Thanks for watching the video. Find the product link on description below. If you like this video, Please subscribe our channel and click on the bell so you notify if we upload a new video on our channel.